Uh-oh. Injury already. Altimeter is set. Your gut belts are on. My belts are on. The controls are free and clear.
Oh, he's already got it. Oh God, here we go.
What are your names again? Brianna and
Callie.
and Callie. Okay. Here comes the canopy. Hold down on that side for me. There we go. We are ready. We're flying.
We are. Oh God. Oh God, where did it go? Oh, what the heck?
So this is a Canyon Raceway over here to our right. And if you look out in the valley, you can see the Cardinal Stadium out there.
Oh, wow.
And the tall buildings of downtown are over that way. It's really clear today. Usually we can't see them that well.
Oh my God. I feel like we're on a roller coaster.
And if you look over to the left, you can see Lake Pleasant over there.
Oh, wow. Oh my God! Oh God! Sorry.
That's okay. I love screamers.
Oh God! I guess you don't have to worry about engine failure in one of these, huh?
No, that's the nice thing about it. There is none. No engine to worry about. No big, noisy, stinky engine.
Oh, awesome. It is so beautiful up here. Yeah,
Isn't it
for the
gorgeous?
desert, it really is.
You guys live here?
Yeah. Yeah, we're stationed here.
Cool. You from Luke?
Yep. Yep.
I just had a big group last weekend from Luke.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, a bunch of controllers and stuff. They come out every year.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, the cool thing about it is Luke pays for it too. So
Really? No way.
yeah. You guys missed out. What do you do at Luke?
Weapons? We're weapons loaders.
Oh, neat.
Yeah.